lost a chance. You know how many more chances? Turn off the TV.
It seems that you pirated Baby First TV. According to copyright law, piracy is a serious crime. For your safety, please turn off your TV and go to babyfirsttv.com and type piracy. You get 5 chances left.
Sammuta televisio tai menetä toisen mahdollisuuden.
Oh, you didn't turn off your TV. You now only have 4 chances left. Please turn off your TV or you may lose another chance.
You didn't listen to us.
Again!
Vakavasti. Ette kuunnellut niitä
3 chances. Ignore yours 3 more times. Then something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your TV, please.
Sammuta televisiosi. Kiitos.
Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again?
You didn't listen to us.
You're legal now. We're making a legal
Kaksi mahdollisuutta lisää.
You're really starting to get on our last nerves. This is your last chance. If you don't turn off your TV in the next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next.
Siinä se.
That's it.
Sinä
You
pyysit
asked for
tätä.
this.
You never listen. Surprising. You were gonna be sorry, son.